Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day ma'am, my name is Marlisa Atordido, 38 years old, single, but I have a common law husband. We have one child, and she's a girl and 10 years old already, and we live at Barangay Bacabacsara, Iloilo, and I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters. I am the 6th of the family. I am a high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, ma'am, but here in the Philippines, I have 4 years work experience with a couple with 2 children, ma'am.
What is the age of the children?
3 years old and 4 years old, ma'am.
Okay, what did you do there for 4 years in the Philippines as a domestic helper?
I do all the household chores like washing clothes, cleaning, and cooking, ma'am. But my main duty is for take care of the kids, ma'am.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any tattoo on your body?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any surgical operation before?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to support my child a good education, ma'am, and help my siblings, ma'am.
If you get hired, who will take care of your daughter?
Her father, ma'am.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working there?
After my work, I usually sleep at around 10 p.m. and I wake up early in the morning around 5 a.m., ma'am.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing?
Yes, ma'am.
In Hong Kong kids, the kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I am be more patient and understanding to the kids, ma'am.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work, and I stick on my mind that I will finish my contract, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any allergy to a certain food?
No, ma'am.
Do you accept no day off but paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relative, and friends of your employer, will you help them and do some household chores there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
I will check her body temperature, and if the baby is sick, I will call my employer, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me an example.
Rock-a-bye baby on a treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall.
Okay, can you please say something to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you select me as your domestic helper, I will promise you that I will finish my contract, and I am willing to extend if needed. I am hardworking and trustworthy person and honest person, ma'am. Thank you.